Alright, let's be real. Cleaning sucks. And I'm very sure that you would also agree with me. Because the problem does come down to having the right equipment for vacuuming and mopping. And while there are excellent types of equipments available, the issue is that usually it's only good for either vacuuming or mopping and not both. Well, that is until I discovered the K18 cordless vacuum mop from the Malaysian brand Corven. So let's find out whether this could be our problem solver when it comes to all of our cleaning issues. But first, let's see what comes inside of the box. Now, the unboxing process was quite elaborate in the number of accessories which is available, where in no particular order, as soon as you open the box, you'll find the user manual. Below that, there's the long crevice tool, the 2-in-1 dusting tool, the bed vacuuming tool, which as the name suggests, makes it great for vacuuming your bed and sofa as well. Then there's the extension rod, the motorized mopping head and the mopping pad, which could easily attach and detach on the mopping head as well. Then there's the charging stand base and the clip accessories for it. Underneath that, there's the charging stand pole, the charging bracket, the 3-pin power adapter. Next, there is the measuring cup to add the water in the mopping head easily. Next, there's a smaller plastic which has some screws, just in case you like to mount the charger on the wall. Then there's the interchangeable battery pack, the motorized floor brush, and finally the main body together with the warranty tag. So the essential thing for any cleaning gear to have does come down to just 3 things. And the first out of 3 is how the overall design is and how is it handled when using it daily. Now, to my surprise, although the vacuum felt really solid, the weight of this K18 was only at a mere 1.5 kgs, making it significantly lighter compared to any other vacuums within this price range. And this means that cleaning and maneuvering at every corner and even underneath furniture are extremely easy. Now, what's extra sweet is that with the K18's Drive Assist, it even helps you further to give you that extra drive when it comes to moving the vacuum around, where you can literally glide away with the K18. And because of this, there wasn't any point of time where I felt any fatigue on my shoulders or even on my forearm, which usually carries the weight for a heavier size vacuum. Now, as for the second reason would be the overall suction. Now, we all know how vital the power suction is when it comes to vacuum, because it is essential and it will separate the vacuum from the rest. Because there's no point of having a light vacuum which does not do a good job at suction, right? Now, the good news is that the K18 has an ultra strong suction power of 201 air watts, which is currently the strongest in the segment and even surpasses Corven's own K9 model of 115 air watts, which was already doing an excellent job at the overall suction capabilities. So yes, this clearly means that Corven has already gotten 2 essential cleaning convenience settled by having a lightweight vacuum and also an ultra strong suction power with the super efficient digital motor with the highest power to weight ratio that is not only satisfying but also makes cleaning your floor quicker as well. Then finally, let's dive into how convenient it is to use the K18. Now, remember I talked about saving time earlier? Well, this vacuum is the ultimate time saver as it can vacuum and mop at the same time. And no, I'm not talking about vacuuming first and then mop after. I am saying that you can just attach the motorized mopping head, fill it with water, and set to the unlock position where you can vacuum and mop on a single movement where a full tank can mop up to 20 minutes continuously. Now yes, if you're dealing with going against heavy grime and dirt, then it is best for you to vacuum first and then mop later. But trust me guys, when it comes to daily cleaning, This whole combination of a one-time clean is way more sufficient in keeping your place clean every single day, and it is one of the reasons why I love the K18 the most. And speaking of the cleaning hits, what's extra sweet is that the motorized floor head does come with the LED headlight to make it easier to vacuum in the dark. And that is something which I tend to do a bit more when it comes to cleaning in the dark, because it does help tremendously to detect the dirt, and I feel that it is even better than having typically a natural light shining on the floor. Now moving forward to the next convenient factor is simple, yet a lot of other vacuums does not have, which is the continuous turn on function, as some vacuums still need for you to press and hold the trigger button while cleaning all the time, which can result to a finger fatigue. And thanks to the K18's super intuitive touch digital control panel, everything is simple and clear, and you can easily adjust the 3 suction levels by touching over at the control panel, which clearly shows that this is convenience at its best. Now another thing that really stood out to me is how easy it is to maintain the cleanliness of the vacuum, because first of all, it has the Ultra Cyclone design, which removes fine dust from clean air, which is 15 times more efficient than a regular cyclone that will save you 93% of your time on cleaning your filters alone. Then when it comes to cleaning off the dirt, with the one-hand dirt disposal method, it means that you can just expel the dirt and all those heavy dust just with a single click, without worrying about getting your hands dirty. And if you're like me, who is hugely sensitive when it comes to dust, the good news is that the K18 has a 6-stage air purifier, which has a H12 grade HEPA filtration, which only allows clean air to be released, so when the vacuum is being used, you're not breathing the dust over and over again, as you'll be breathing a cleaner air while cleaning, where everything else is right in the dirt bin. Then the final convenience standpoint, which is essentially one of my biggest pet peeves, is the battery life on vacuums. Because with our fast-paced living situations, being able to be up and running and to clean really quickly is very essential and of course a huge must. And not only that, the K18 can run up to 50 minutes, which is perfect even if you have a medium to a bigger size home. But since the battery is also interchangeable, you can just swap off your batteries immediately once you're running low, where you can even charge a battery separately from the vacuum on the charging stand. And speaking of which, I absolutely love the neat little touch that Corvan has done to make charging the vacuum very easy by providing the auto charging stand, which came inside of the box as seen earlier, which means that the traditional method of just drilling the charging stand or the stand on the wall is not necessary, as this auto charging stand is cleverly designed to look aesthetically pleasing and blend in well with your furniture as well. So yes, there you have it, all of the 3 core elements being fulfilled. And this clearly shows that Corvan's K18 cordless vacuuming mop is indeed a very compelling option to be a vacuum that is capable of being a new household name for a vacuum and mop combination at your home. And also worth mentioning is that since Corvan is a Malaysian brand, I have to say that the after-sales service has been excellent since the establishment in 2014, and there's also a 5-year warranty for the vacuum turbine and 1-year warranty for the body and also the included battery, so don't forget to register your warranty for your new K18. And speaking of which, Corvan has also an official YouTube channel where they do have some instructions on how to clean and maintain the K18, and they have also featured other products available over there as well, which I'll link their YouTube page down below. And if you're interested in getting the Corvan K18, I'll leave a link down below at the description together with the promo code for you to enjoy a further discount on it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll see you in my next video.